Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis Autosports. This is a pre-listing to a Jeep that's getting ready to hit the market. Do want to make perfectly clear we are nowhere near completed with this Jeep. We still have a full wet sand and buff to do amongst many other little things, but it is about 80% done. This is not going to be our formal 30-minute video. This is a pre-listing. However, a majority of our Jeeps sell during the pre-listing state. So we have about 2 more weeks of work on this particular Jeep, maybe 3. But I'm gonna give you the overall majority of the build and then all the finer details you'll find on our website at davisautosports.com. Starting off, full moss green pearl, complete repaint. It didn't come from the factory in this color. Our paint process here is extremely tedious. After all the body work is done and all the prep work, of course, every single thing gets taken off of the Jeep and removed, from handles to glass to mirrors to trim. The actual body panels themselves that are painted are removed off. There's 2 doors on a Jeep that we just painted that particular color requested of the client, and the paint wraps all the way around the doors. I'll give you a quick glimpse of that. But every single panel on this Jeep is tape line free. Paint wraps around. Our paint process itself consists of bringing the panels down to bare metal, etch priming, 2K priming, blocking, then a seal, then base coat moss green pearl, 3 to 4 clear coats, and from there we wet sand and compound and buff the top layer clear to knock a little bit of orange peel down to give it an absolute showroom finish. Everything else on the exterior is new. We have Kevlar on the bottom, Kevlar on the roof, Kevlar on the rear caps, aftermarket nice clean front bumper, upgraded lights, DAS exclusive Moab wheels, charcoal finish, 0 offset, all new suspension, all new steering, brand new DAS engine. Cooling system's been upgraded, triple core, all aluminum, triple fan radiator. Very, very thorough build. Brakes, suspension, you name it. Interior's been done as well. We have brown leather, carpet, headliner, but just wanted to give you guys an overall glimpse. We do our pre-listings just to notify the general public of what we have in the works. We'll have our full 30-minute video coming up in a couple weeks if it doesn't sell. However, most of our pre-listings, the Jeeps do sell, so I will not be surprised if it's sold shortly after this video goes live. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us at 855-XJ-JEEPS. Just to give you a quick note, every Jeep in here in the background, Cherokee wise, is sold. They're actually client vehicles with the exception of this chili pepper red one that we are getting ready to bring to market. We'll do a pre-listing on that shortly. That's gonna have our stage 2 package, so it's gonna have a stance and look just like that guy right there. And with the exception of this one and that one, we don't have any other ones going on the market. So this is all we have lined up. So if you have any questions, 855-XJ-JEEPS, that's 855-955-3377.